I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Everyone, hello Universe, it's me again. Shoutout sa inyo mga kababayan. Nakikita nyo guys ito. Ayan, may upload videos tayo. Ito pagbibigay ng awards mga kababayan. Yung diverse group of awardees recognized in TOM 2024 awards. Supposed to be si First Lady Lisa ang nandyan. Kaso lang guys, ang humahalili sa kanya, yung kanyang anak na si Congressman Sandro. Guys, kasi si First Lady, nabaga yung mukha niya, no? Hindi natin alam kung bakit, anong dahilan. Dahil ito napansin ko nung launching ng Ilog Pasig guys, naka-eyeglasses siya. Medyo namaga ang kanyang kabilang mukha, ano? So dahil dyan guys, nilinaw po ni Congressman Sandro, no? Dahil ibinaviral ito sa social media ng mga dilis na binugbog daw ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Grabe yung paninira nyo. Salamat sa paninira nyo kay First Lady. Babalik po sa inyo yung mga kasamaan ng pag-uugali nyo. Thank you very much na lang. But, syempre guys, ang pinaka-highlights dito, wow, grabe! Panoorin nyo, mga kababayan, na mag-speech si Congressman Sandro the best. Grabe guys, masasabi natin, future president talaga siya. Ang galing niya, no? So, dahil dito mga kababayan, para kumpleto detalyado, panoorin nyo. Eto na.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, welcome to Malacanang.
Wow.
I would also like to recognize the presence, firstly, of the President, the National President of JCI Philippines, Attorney Mark Peter Quilaneta, the Chairman of the TOYM Foundation, my tito, Mr. Bienvenido Tantoco III. It's very weird being with him in a professional capacity because he's seen me grown up since I was 10 years old.
Wow.
So medyo naninibago ako. And of course, former Secretary and Senator Mar Rojas. And to all the participants and of course the awardees this afternoon, once again, good afternoon to all of you and welcome to Malacanang. First of all, I would like to extend my deepest apologies. Number one, for being extremely underdressed. I was just told about 20 minutes ago that I would be taking the place of the First Lady. But first of all, I would like to give and extend her heartfelt apologies. The First Lady woke up this morning. She had a very adverse allergic reaction. So she looks like she got into a fight with Manny Pacquiao. So I don't think she'll be showing herself today. But rest assured, she wanted to send me as somewhat of a symbol to show how supportive we are of this incredible program and the awardees that are in it. So please rest assured that along with the entire First Family, but more importantly, the entire national government, we continue and want to continue supporting foundations such as this that recognize the excellence of our youth today and those who are making a difference in our country. So once again, congratulations po sa inyong lahat. I hope that you continue to keep on doing the good that you are doing, not only for yourselves, but more importantly, for our beloved country. So once again, good afternoon to all of you. Apologies on behalf of the First Lady that you could not make it, but nonetheless, I think it doesn't need to be said how important of an occasion this is and how important this is for our country. So once again, good afternoon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay po ang bagong Pilipinas. Thank you.
Oh, 'di ba, mga kababayan? Oh, malamang may maiinggit na. Alam nyo guys, no, kung ipagpapaharap mo ito sa debate between sa Vice Presidente natin ngayon at saka si Congressman Sandro, malamang ilalampaso ni Congressman Sandro yan. Grabe. Ito sanay na sanay guys eh. Ngayon pa lang, no, nakikita natin ang magiging future president ng Pilipinas. 100% po yan. Sa totoo lang, although the President of the Philippines, which is ang ating mahal na Pangulong Marcos Jr., wala siyang binanggit na may planong tatakbo in the future. But siyempre sa inyong palagay mga kababayan, nakikita ko at nakikita nyo rin yung magiging leader ng bansa. Kasi ngayon pa lang, guys, sumusunod po siya sa yapak ng kanyang lolo at sa kanyang ama. Sa totoo lang, ako sinisigurado ko na po yan. Once na nasabi ko sa sarili ko before, mga kababayan, noong 2016, sabi ko, darating ang araw, magiging Pangulo si Pangulong Marcos Jr. Hindi po ako nagkamali doon. That's on my pag-iisip. Prediction ng aking instinct yun, pero nagkatotoo po yun, no? So dahil dito guys, sa kanyang speech, malinaw na malinaw mga kababayan kung bakit hindi nakadalo yung kanyang ina sapagkat nagkaroon po ng allergy na nakita po natin na medyo namaga yung mukha ng ating First Lady. Hindi natin alam kung anong klaseng allergy. But ang importante dito, yung healthy naman ang kanyang pangangatawan, syempre, ay nagagamot na po yun. So dahil dito, ang anak niyang humalili sa pagbibigay ng awards mga kababayan ay talaga namang solid na solid. Hindi kalugi manood. Ang galing niya talaga magsalita. Ay, saludo ako din talaga dito sa mga anak ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. They are very well-mannered. Sa totoo lang. Hindi talaga sila palaaway. Di tulad ng mga iba dyan. Grabe. Kumbaga, rat-rata ng tato sa katawan. Pero ito, grabe ang linis. Very organized. Sa bagay, mga kababayan, ito nag-aral talaga sa prestiyosong universidad sa ibang bansa, which is ang Oxford. Kaya nakikita nyo yung ugali nila, talagang very smooth and very kind, tsaka mababait sila. Mana sa ama, So dahil dito guys, ang aking pinaka-latest updates video, ayan, ang ating future president. Bato-bato sa langit. So huwag tamaan, huwag magalit. The best talaga si Congressman Sandro guys Thank you for watching. See you again on my next upload video. Bye 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 and babush. God bless Philippines. Get well soon, First Lady.